Hi everybody! I am so excited to be filming again. Like, you have no idea. I miss this so much. My husband built me a curtain track thingy-majigger once I get my beauty room finished, because we just moved to Texas and well, during the summer, and I'm still getting everything together. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys that in another video. But today we are going to be unboxing this welcome box from Amazon. I have been waiting to get this box just because of all the great things in it. So what this is for pregnant women. I mean, you don't have to be pregnant, but it's mainly what it is for. But you are, okay. Can you tell that, like, I'm like a little nervous? I don't even know what to say. So what this welcome box from Amazon is basically a welcome gift for pregnant moms, and all you have to do is be a Prime member, which I think that's super unfortunate, but a Prime member, you have to do that, and then you have to create a baby registry, put all the requirements of the things that they want you to put on there on your registry, so you finish the checklist, and you have to spend at least $10 on your baby registry, which at first I was like, well, it's not really free if I have to spend $10, but honestly, like, just put, I don't know, a pair of socks in there, a swaddle blanket that you know you're gonna buy, and you can buy it yourself to qualify yourself for the $10 threshold that they require. So let's see. Oh, that's so cute how they like just kind of wrap that in there. Okay, so the first thing that I see sitting on top of here, oh my gosh, my box looks a little different from what I've been watching on YouTube, but this is awesome. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is a swaddle. Okay, wait, let me just set it down. I get way too excited. I can't wait to show you guys our nursery for Marcellus's room. His name is Marcellus. Right now, I'm like 8 months out. I'm like due like next month. Crazy. But anyways, this is the Swaddle Me Original Swaddle, the Easy Adjust Baby Wrap. It is the original swaddle. The proven design is safe for easy swaddling. It's Velcro, I think. I don't know. Wait, this one is the original. Okay, so the original is from 7 to 14 pounds, 0 to 3 months, which is awesome. I bought some Aiden and I muslin blanket, and then I have one Halo Sack swaddle, but this is really awesome. I love that it's gray because his room is gray. His theme of the room. Oh, okay, so maybe it is Velcro. Okay, so, but that's awesome. That is really cool. So the next thing that's sitting on here is this. Oh, this is like their security blanket. I like that it's all gray. This is like perfect. I love this. Oh, and it's so soft, and it's an elephant. This is so cute. I think the reason why it's a security blanket because it has a little bit of weight to it, and when they lay down on it, it just makes them feel good. I know, like, whenever I'm scared laying in bed by myself, I barricade myself in pillows, and that makes me feel secure. But that's awesome. Alright, so the next one in here, so we have 2 baby bottles, which I'm not that super impressed with this box. I'm kind of actually sad. I've had so many baby bottles, like, already. Like, from all, you know, the baby shower and everything else, but there's 2 baby bottles, which is cool. So this one is a Tommy TP. I probably won't use this because I plan on breastfeeding, and then I also have Dr. Brown's baby bottles that I will be using if I pump, or when I have to go somewhere or anything like that. This one looks really cool. This is Avent, right? Avent? Yeah, natural bottle. So I got 2. I hope there's coupons inside. I just want to open it for the coupons. Okay, we have pacifiers, which I already have a crap load of pacifier as well. I told myself that I don't want Marcellus to be using a pacifier because it's just a bad habit to break once they get a little older. But I mean, like, when they're crying, all you want to do is just put it in their mouth and they just shut up. So, yeah, so this is the brand Nook. So this one is 0 to 3 months. That's cool. So the next one is the Cetaphil Baby wash and shampoo. This is awesome. I love Cetaphil products, and I've never tried like anything like this. I've gotten a lot of like Baby Dove, Johnson & Johnson, Aveeno, like for my baby shower. I have like a crap load of that. So this is gonna be awesome. And then I like that it's travel size as well. And then this one is Johnson Newborn Wash and Shampoo. I want to see what this one smells like. Oh, it smells like a baby. Duh. Oh, gosh, I'm so excited, guys, just to have this baby. And then I have another one of these. These are the breastfeeding guide. I have a couple samples. So this is, what is this? I think it's like bags, storage bags. Yeah, so this is cool because once I do my hospital bag, I'm going to throw some of these in there because I'm going to bring the pump with me just in case if we have to stay longer, or I'm really tired. I'm like, here baby, feed the baby. Or here daddy, feed the baby. So I'm going to have milk ready to go. And then last but not least, these. I've gotten this from the Target one, I think, but this one looks a bit bigger. This one looks pretty nice. And it's kind of heavy. I don't know what's in it. So this is the Pamper Swaddle Mom to Be Registry. I hope there's coupons. Like, I just want coupons. Oh, this is a really cute bag. I like this bag a lot. Okay, so there is a diaper. Whoa, why is this diaper huge? This is not a newborn diaper. This cannot be a newborn diaper. It's number 1, so no, it's not a newborn, but that's cool that I have this because I have a lot of newborn diapers, and I have diaper number 2 and 3 and 4, but I don't have anything that's number 2 or number 1, so that's cool. And then what else is in here? Pampers. 6 wipes sensitive. Oh, I'm really excited for the sensitive wipes. I'm just really scared that our baby will have sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but my husband do, so, and we're having a boy, so we'll see how that works out. Because I have a lot of like baby wipes already for him, but none of those sensitive ones. And then we have Dref Newborn. Oh, laundry. Oh, that's so cute. I've heard that these aren't as great as what people make them out to be, so I don't know. We'll try it out. Yes, coupons, coupons. I'm so excited for these. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are manufacturer coupons. So here's $1.50, $1.50. I know that these are just $1, $1, but like, if you coupon the way I do, you'll save up a lot of money with these. And then comes with this. So overall, all the other boxes that I've, oh my god, you know what I'm missing? I didn't get the Huggies wipes. That was the most like exciting thing I wanted, like a full-blown Huggies wipe. And I know that I watched a lot of videos like a couple months ago, like everybody got like a heavier box because mine is only 3 pounds. And they got like, I don't know, like a 5-pound box, and it was a full-size Huggies wipe. And that was what I was looking for the most. But, oh, and a blanket. I mean, I'm glad that I got the security blanket, but there was also one that was like a really nice like muslin blanket, I think, that I really wanted. But you know what, overall, it's free and I can't really complain, and we got some really good stuff. So if you guys want to see his nursery tour, definitely comment below and like this video. I'm also going to do a what's in my hospital bag sometime next week because I am huge. Let me show you guys. Like, okay, I'm wearing black, so maybe not, but sorry, I don't wear pants around the house because they're super uncomfortable. So you're gonna have to see me in my underwear. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Bye.